Hello, today our project is distance range display on LCD by using ultrasonic sensor. That means we are going to finding a distance by using ultrasonic sensor and the distance value should be displayed on LCD board. Okay, now let's see the circuit diagram for this project. This is the circuit diagram for our project. Here I connected ultrasonic sensor and LCD display to the Arduino board. So now let's see what are our components for our project. So these are the components for our project. So jumper wires, we need male to male and male to female. So this is LCD display and this is ultrasonic sensor, Arduino, cable and breadboard. This is ultrasonic sensor. So in the last video I already told you about the ultrasonic sensor. It will send some sound waves and it will receive the signal by echo pin and it will find the distance. So here 4 pins are there: VCC, ground, trig and echo. So you know the function of ultrasonic sensor and LCD display. So this is the main thing. In this we are going to display our distance. So here I2C, this is I2C inter-integrated circuit. So this is connected to the LCD display. So if this is not there to LCD display, then we cannot do this project. So we should connect this I2C to the LCD display. This one, it is having 4 pins. One is ground pin, another one is VCC and SDA and SCL. Here SDA means serial data transfer and SCL means serial clock. SDA is used for to transfer the data and SCL will acts like a clock timer. Okay, so this is about LCD display, and in the LCD display, just give me one. Here I just gave power to this LCD display. In this display now it is showing 2 rows and 16 columns. That means we are giving number as 0 to 15. That means it is having 2 rows and 16 columns. In this rows and columns we are going to display distance. Okay, so now I am going to do connections and I will show the output. This is the code for our project. First we need to import one module, that is liquid crystal I2C. So without that module, so we cannot implement this project. So first import that library, and I connected echo pin to the number 7 digital pin and trig pin to the number 6, that is digital pin 6, and this is the code. So observe this. In the code I mentioned to display in serial monitor as well as LCD display. So it will display the distance in serial monitor and LCD. So you can compare the values whether they both are same or not also. Okay. So I'm doing the connections. Okay, these are the connections I made. So here 4 pins are there, right, for ultrasonic sensor. So I just take ground, directly I connected to the ground of Arduino, and trig pin and echo pin I connected to the 7th, and here you can see I connected to the 7 and 6. Trig pin is connected to 7th one and echo pin is connected to number 6. Trig pin is connected to number 6 and echo pin is connected to number 7, and VCC I taken in the breadboard because in the LCD also we are having one VCC. Yeah. So these are the connections for LCD. You can see. Yeah. Ground is directly connected to the Arduino ground, and VCC I connected to the breadboard here, and from the breadboard I took VCC and it is connected to the VCC in Arduino board. That means 5 volts. So these are the connections, and this SCL and SDA is connected here. In the breadboard you can see the last two pins. After 13, ground is there and AREF is there. After AREF there are two pins, so those two pins are SDA and SCL. So you can take reference from the circuit diagram. Okay, so these are the connections. Now I am going to upload the code. I am uploading the code. So I need to select a port first. Yes, the code is uploaded. Okay, first see in the serial monitor. So it is showing distance. Now I am going to show you in the LCD. Yes, the distance is changing. So you can observe. For example, here I am placing my hand. So here it is changing. The distance is changing. You can observe. I am placing different positions. So the distance is changing. You can observe. Okay, this is the project. That's it.